Hello viewers, tutorial 9 question 3, and we're differentiating 4 functions, 2 exponentials and 2 log functions. So we notice that with a there, the power of the exponential itself is a function, so we've got a function inside another function. That's a job for the chain rule. So let's let z be the power, which is negative x squared, and let's let r be equal to e to the, we've said that that power is z. Then the chain rule tells us dy, but we've got r, so it's going to be dr by dx. So r is taking the role of y here, dr by dz times dz by dx. So we've got dz by dx equals, differentiate that thing, we get negative 2x to the power of 1, which is negative 2x, and the exponential function differentiates to itself. So dr by dz is just e to the z. Okay, so dr by dx equals dr by dz times dz by dx. So dr by dz was e to the z, and we're multiplying by negative 2x, so we get negative 2x, e to the z was negative x squared. So we can see a rule for differentiating an exponential function sort of coming to the fore from this question. With an exponential, the power stays the same, but we multiply by the derivative of the power, which was negative 2x. So we can use that same rule to do question B. So we'll do B using the quicker version. So dq by dx equals exponential power stays the same, e to the sine x, but we need to multiply by the derivative of the power, so the derivative of sine, which is cosine. Okay, so we get dq by dx equals cos x times e to the sine x. Okay, great. So now question C, let's look at logarithm functions. So we need to work out what our z is. So what's z? Z will be the bracket. Z is going to be 4x squared plus 4x. And that leaves us with y equals log of z. So we can differentiate both of those. So that gives you dz by dx equals, differentiating that gives us 8x plus 4. And log, if we differentiate log, we get dy by dz is log differentiates to 1 over x, so log z would be 1 over z. So your chain rule tells you that dy by dx equals dy by dz times dz by dx. So dy by dz is 1 over z times 8x plus 4, which is 8x plus 4 over z, which is 8x plus 4 divided by z, but z was 4x squared plus 4x. If we wanted to, we could divide a factor of 4 out of the top and the bottom, but we don't really need to, unless the question says fully simplify your answer. So we can see what a quicker way of differentiating a log function is. So what's inside that bracket goes on the bottom. Differentiate the inside of that bracket goes on the top. So let's use that rule to differentiate d, which is the log of cosine of x. So what's inside the bracket? Cosine of x goes on the bottom. Its derivative, which is negative sine of x, differentiate cosine of x, you get negative sine of x. That goes on the top. So we have negative sine of x over cosine of x. And if we want to simplify further, which we can, don't have to, but we can, sine over cos is tan. So we get negative tan x. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.